Hello everyone, on this tutorial I will show you step by step on how to download product image from Alibaba for your dropshipping business. And I will guide you from navigation the Alibaba platform to saving the image for free and also no paid version application. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. As you see guys, Alibaba is one of the most e-commerce platform. Then in this video I will show you how you can easily download and import any pictures from Alibaba with the highest quality, and also we show you how you can easily download the videos from Alibaba with also the highest quality. So guys, go back and open a new browser, then open a new browser and the search bar hit and tap Alisave Google search Alisave, then go directly to Google Chrome store, then open and tap Alisave image and videos. Then guys, you need to add this extension to your browser, then hit on add Chrome, then add extension. It's very easy guys to download any image from Alibaba, and also this extension it's work with AliExpress account. Then now your extension was added successfully, then go directly to this extension icon, go directly to extension icon, then make it pin. Then guys, go back and open your Alibaba account, then reload the page, then wait a few seconds, then the extension it will appear automatically. As you see guys, the extension it will add it automatically to your product. Then if you want to download the main image, description, variation image and description videos, as you see guys, this extension gives the ability to download any videos and pictures from your product. Then if you want to, for example, download the main image, just tap main image, then wait a few seconds, then the image it will import it successfully automatically. Then guys, wait a few seconds to download this main image, for example, then wait a few seconds, then wait a few seconds. Now guys, show in folders. Now wait a few seconds guys. Now your product or your product image was downloaded successfully with the same quality. Then guys, if you want to download the videos also, for example this product, just go directly and reload also the page, then you will be able to download this video from this product. Want to download this video, just hit on main video, just tap on download the main video, then you will be able to download. Sorry guys, if you want to download the videos you need to buy a plan for $590 for a month. Then guys, this is the easy method guys, download any image or any product image from Alibaba account with the easy method and no paid version application. Thank you so much for watching, see you in the next video.